So these are butternut squash, and this is how they grow on this vine. So come close and you give it a twist. And there you have a butternut squash. With this, I typically make soup, also really good roasting to put in a salad with kale, and also good as a side for your Thanksgiving dinner.
Hi, this is Trish Magwood. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for recipe ideas, food inspiration, and simple home tips. Also go to Trish Magwood on Instagram for food and lifestyle ideas and inspiration, or check out trishmagwood.ca.